Good day, sir. I am Facturan Mike Redick P. And for today's video, I'm going to answer the 10 questions out of 15 given. So, number 1. Explain creating the BFP. The BFP was formed from the units of Integrated National Police Office of Fire Protection Service on January 29, 1991. True Republic Act number 6975, which created the present Interior Department and placed the provision of fire service under its control. Number 2, discuss the 3 ways to extinguish a fire. All fires can be extinguished by cooling, smothering, starving, or by interrupting the combustion process to extinguish the fire. So, cooling, limiting temperature by increasing the rate at which heat is lost from the burning material. Smothering, limiting oxygen by preventing air from reaching the seat from the fire to allow the combustion process to reduce oxygen content in the confined atmosphere until it extinguishes itself. Starving, limiting fuel by removing potential fuel from vicinity of the fire. Removing the fire from the mass of combustible material or by dividing the burning material into smaller fires that can be extinguished more easily. Interrupting, inhibiting the chemical chain reaction by applying extinguishing media to the fire that inhibit the chemical chain reaction at the molecular level. 3. Discuss the elements of fire. Oxygen, heat, and fuel are frequently referred to as the fire triangle. Add in the 4th element the chemical reaction and you actually have a fire. The important thing to remember is take any of these 4 things away and you will not be fire or the fire will be extinguished. Number 4, discuss the types of energy or the common sources of heat. So, common energy sources for heating your home or building include natural gases, electricity, oil, wood, and propane. Some heating system is use a single energy source. Others use a mix of energy source or alternatives such as solar energy. Number 5, what is pyrolysis all about? So pyrolysis is one of the technologies available to convert biomass to an intermediate liquid product that can be refined to drop in hydrocarbon, biofuels, oxygenated fuel, additives, and petrochemical replacements. Number 6, how do you classify fire? So fires can be classified in 5 different ways depending on the agent that fuels them. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class K. Each type of a fire involves different flammable materials and requires special approach. In fact, trying to fight a blaze wrong method might make the situation worse. Number 7, what is arson? Arson is a crime commonly defined by is a willful malicious damage or destruction of property by means of fire or explosion. Number 8. What are the composition of fire threat? What is the composition of fire tetrahedron? So again, oxygen, heat, and fuel are frequently referred to as the fire triangle. And in the fourth element, the chemical reaction are usually have a fire. The important thing to remember is take any of these things away and you will not have a fire, or the fire will be extinguished. Number 9. Why is it necessary to investigate fire? The role of fire investigation is to identify the event that brought together the combustible, the oxidizer, and the source of ignition that started the fire. Causes of fire can be natural, accidental, deliberate, or undetermined. Number 10, discuss the types of heat transmission. Heat can be transferred in 3 ways: by conduction, by convection, and by radiation. The conduction is the transfer of energy from the molecule to another by direct contact. Convection is the movement of heat by fluid such as water or air. Radiation is a transfer of heat by electromagnetic waves. So that's all, sir. Thank you. God bless.